I've seen a few comments of you guys saying you're tired of seeing my face and hearing me talk, and you want to see the machines work? So let me show you. So this blue machine is basically sorting through loads that come in on roll-off containers, and he's sorting out clean material from dirty shred material. Basically anything that's 100% steel, he is putting in one of a few piles, whether it's plate and structural, number 1 or number 2 heavy melt, and then everything else will go into the shred steel pile because it has contamination like insulation, foam, wiring, things of that nature. So that's an appliance that will go over to the shred pile. And then actually we have the Bobcat doing the same thing. He's pulling out material out of the shred pile that is clean and can be run through the shear. And he's pushing that towards the blue machine, and then he'll pick it up and put it in the clean bay. And most yards that have a shredder would not go through this process. Basically all this material would be thrown straight through the shredder, and then the magnets and the separating system would do all of the work. Since we shear instead of shred, we basically pre-sort with machines and labor, and then we process it accordingly afterwards. So some of this will just be sent to a shredder, and then some of this will stay here and go through the shear. He also sets out any non-ferrous material like aluminum, copper, etc. We also grab whatever we can by hand of that same material. We're right here at the end of the day, so basically just doing a preliminary sort, getting this cleaned up and ready to go for tomorrow. And on a typical day, this machine is doing a few things at one time. He's sorting through material like he is right now on this side where we dump the roll-offs, and then on the other side of this wall, he is feeding our stationary shear. So basically, between cycles, he's sorting material, and then once the cycle finishes, he reloads the shear.